Welcome to this video on estate planning. Estate planning involves creating a plan for how your assets will be managed and distributed after you pass away. It's an important part of your overall financial plan, but it's often overlooked or delayed. In this video, we'll cover the basics of estate planning, including creating a will, setting up trusts, and managing your assets to ensure your wishes are carried out after you pass away. Creating a will. One of the most important parts of estate planning is creating a will. A will is a legal document that outlines how you want your assets to be distributed after you pass away. It can also name a guardian for your minor children and an executor to manage your estate. It's important to understand that without a will, your assets will be distributed according to state law, which may not align with your wishes. Creating a will can give you peace of mind and ensure that your wishes are carried out after you pass away. Setting up trusts. Another important part of estate planning is setting up trusts. Trusts can be used to manage your assets and provide for your loved ones after you pass away. There are many different types of trusts, each with its own purpose and benefits. For example, a revocable living trust can be used to manage your assets during your lifetime and provide for your beneficiaries after you pass away. It can also help your estate avoid probate, which can be a lengthy and expensive process. An irrevocable trust can be used to protect your assets from creditors or provide for your loved ones with special needs. It's important to work with a qualified professional to determine which type of trust is right for your situation. Managing your assets. In addition to creating a will and setting up trusts, it's important to manage your assets to ensure that your wishes are carried out after you pass away. This might involve updating your beneficiaries on your retirement accounts and life insurance policies, reviewing your investment portfolio, and considering tax implications. For example, you may want to consider gifting assets to your loved ones during your lifetime to minimize estate taxes. It's also important to make sure that your loved ones know where to find important documents and information in case of an emergency, such as your will, trust documents, and insurance policies. Pros and cons. There are many benefits to estate planning, including peace of mind, the ability to protect your assets and provide for your loved ones, and potential tax benefits. For example, estate planning can help minimize estate taxes and ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. However, there are also some downsides to consider. Estate planning can be complex and time-consuming, and it can be difficult to predict future events or changes in your financial situation. It's also important to work with a qualified professional to ensure that your estate plan is legally sound and reflects your wishes. Lastly, there may be costs associated with setting up and maintaining your estate plan. Estate planning is an important part of your overall financial plan. By creating a will, setting up trusts, and managing your assets, you can ensure that your wishes are carried out after you pass away. While estate planning can be complex, it's important to take the time to create a plan that reflects your wishes and provides for your loved ones. By working with a qualified professional and regularly reviewing your estate plan, you can have peace of mind knowing that your assets are managed and distributed according to your wishes.